Swapw, making money smart. Now, moving forward from our last lesson, today I kind of want to talk to you a little bit about e-gold and kind of my opinions about e-gold in general. E-gold is a currency that's currently pretty popularized with a lot of online users as a form of exchange. Some of people actually use it to replace PayPal. And what it is essentially what it is an e-currency backed by gold, essentially. And that's exactly what it is. So basically, for you to get any e-gold, you have to change from whatever your currency, in my case, US dollars, and through a bank institution of some sort into converting it into e-currency or so-called e-gold currency. Now, does that end? No, not really. Because to really get that gold value that they advertise, you really have to convert from that amount of money into the real solid gold that I'm talking just real solid, like little chunks of gold that you have at home, and that will be equivalent to however amount that you have convert your money into to that solid piece of gold. And their advertisement to a lot of users that, hey, gold is rising, and the fact that the gold piece that you have will rise in value is very likely. I personally disagree with that. E-gold has started in the beginning of 2001, I believe. It's been about 5, 6 years, and it's only getting really hot recently. Why? As if you look at the gold chart, it's actually been skyrocketing for quite a bit for some time. Now, recently, as the dollar is dropping in value, gold is actually, you know, going up and down a little bit, but still a little bit going upwards. And what I believe is actually a bear market that they're looking at right now, which I don't think is a great investment for gold. After U.S. Treasury has dumped their gold, Europe has definitely picked up these purchasing for these gold that the U.S. Treasury has dumped out. But how long would the Europeans actually pick up that concept from the U.S. and just decide to dump all e-gold at once? Well, we don't know when that's gonna be or when that it will ever happen. However, I have a big hunch that it will happen pretty soon. And I would not suggest any of my readers into pursuing e-gold as a source of security unless you're really into gold in general. E-gold has also a lot of downside as well. Payments, there is no refundable payments. So a lot of scam artists uses e-gold so they can scam you from your money. So once you wire your e-gold into their account, if they don't want to give you their money, well, there is no returns. I'm sorry, that's it. So that is a big downturn for e-gold. Now, from changing from e-gold into currency and currency into e-gold, that takes a lot of transaction fee too. There's a transaction fee there, and it's not cheap. So I mean, you really have to make above your transaction fees for both exchanging into e-gold and exchanging into currency to really make some money in this gold artificial rush that people are making it. Unless you have a lot of money invested in gold, I would suggest not putting your money in there to avoid unwanted risk. Well, I will put more resources of what I feel and my opinions on my blog, and you can check them out beneath the video. Swapw, making money smart. www.swapw.blogspot.com. All right.